Ethereum whales refuse to sell as more ETH flows into DeFi. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is Win with Ryan, where we cover the crypto headlines, crypto markets, and we also surf the world. So today we got some great news for Ethereum. As you can see in the background here, we're going to be talking about HODL on Ethereum. Why are the whales still continuing to hold Ethereum, even though the price has been stagnant for so long? If you've been following Ethereum and the craziness that's going on with the gas fees and what the potential of the new ETH 2.0 that is coming out, the miner, all the miners are up in arms about the ETH 2.0 and so on and so forth. But why is Ethereum still something to hold as a great asset, as a great project? So let's go ahead and jump right in. The number of addresses holding more than 10,000 ETH has hardly changed since the asset hit an all-time high of $2,050 on February 20th. In fact, according to data from Santiment, the number of wallets holding over 10,000 ETH, worth about $17.7 million at current prices, has declined by just 0.9% over the past 4 months. That compares to 7.2% fall in the number of wallets holding 100 to 10,000 ETH, according to analytics provider. A possible explanation for the divergence is that whale addresses may be owned by entities such as exchanges, large companies, or institutional funds that need to keep the asset on hand or locked up for investment purposes. ETH Hub co-founder Anthony Sassano noted that large companies and institutions are increasingly buying and holding ETH in his March 18th newsletter. He says in the quote, "I also expect to see many more public companies announce ETH purchases in the coming months for different reasons. Some will stockpile ETH to use as gas, some will buy it to stake in ETH 2.0, and some will put it on their balance sheet as a SOV reverse asset. The mid-tier level addresses appear to be depositing more ETH into DeFi as the amount of the asset locked across protocols in the sector has also hit an all-time high. According to the stats from DeFi wallet provider DBank, the amount of Ethereum locked in DeFi is close to its peak at 9.6 million ETH. This represents 8.3 of the entire supply and is estimated to be worth around $17 billion at current prices. The amount of ETH locked topped 10 million for the first time ever on March 11th. There is currently 3.53 million ETH on 6.3 million staked at the Beacon chain, according to ETH Blockchain Explorer. These two factors have contributed heavily to the asset holding onto its price levels, which have oscillated around 1,800 since March 9th at the time of writing. ETH prices have dipped 1% over the past 24 hours to trade at 1790, according to TradingView. All right, so here we have the daily chart for Ethereum. This is the live chart. And as you can see, we did hit the new all-time high of $2,031 basically back on February 20th. And then it had the huge sell-off. People were taking profits at that point. Came back down, hit that 1345. It's been on a nice steady rise for quite some time now. And it's kind of settling here in this price range between 1900 and 1750. It's consolidating here, waiting to do an up move or a down move. What's really going on right now is the battle between gas fees, the miners, what's going to happen with Ethereum. Is Ethereum 2.0 going to be a success or be a failure? A lot of people don't really know. And there's questions in the air. Which way should it go? So it's just kind of a waiting game here now at this point. But when it comes to the whales, though, they think that it's going to be a very, very positive thing going forward for Ethereum. The support is there. Now, you do also have the challenging blockchain of Cardano that a lot of people are considering instead of Ethereum at this time. So it's going to be a little bit of a battle in the DeFi space over the next little bit. So we'll see what happens here. But a lot of the NFT programs also run on ETH. almost everything besides the store of value of Bitcoin is running on ETH right now. Even all these really great altcoins that are popping up are running on Ethereum blockchain. So keep that in mind when you're doing your price analysis. Let's take a look at a smaller time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame here. And as you can see, it really has hit this support level of 1745, 1750-ish as its new support. And it's been bouncing in that range for a couple of times. It's had a nice rise up above to the 19, but it has not taken that next leap up to the all-time high and breaking through to, you know, that 2100. There is a price target of about 2600, more than that actually, for Ethereum, once everything stabilizes and starts moving in the right direction. So comment down below, what do you guys think about Ethereum? Are you more into Ethereum at this point? Are you more into the Cardano play? What do you think is going to happen with the DeFi space? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.